This is the UGC1006 range of spray gun cleaners. The UGC1006T and the UGC1006. Twin tank system, the UGC1006T, solvent and water. The UGC1006 is a single tank system. Let's take a look at how to set up the machine. So this is the UGC1006 range of spray gun cleaners. High-powered Venturi rinse systems for quick, fast colour changes. UGC1006T and 1006 have been designed for flexibility in terms of positioning and mounting. Therefore, you can wall mount these systems with the brackets that are supplied with the machine. Compact in design, the 1006 range can be wall mounted or bench mounted with their self-contained fluid containers inside, or these can be portable and mounted inside mobile repair vans, for example. Once you've decided on the position, we then need to get the machine stable and ready for operation. We would attach suitable fume extraction for the solvent base by attaching ducting to the exhaust system on the solvent tank. This is 3" in diameter or 76 mm. This ventilation needs to then extract out to atmosphere. You can then attach the air line on the right hand side of the machine. The air input into the machine is 75 or 100 psi, sort of 6 to 7 bar is the optimum running pressure. Once this is all ready, we can then look at the fluid containers. The UGC1006 spray gun cleaners have self-contained fluid containers inside the base. We have a clean container for clean fluid for the solvent side and a waste container for the waste fluid. This is doubled up on the water side, clean container for clean fluid and a waste container for the waste. On the single system, you would only have 2 containers. You must only ever use clean solvent in the solvent side and clean water-based fluid in the water side. The containers will hold approximately 2 litres of fluid. Fill your container up with either 2 litres of solvent for the solvent side or 2 litres of water-based detergent for the water-based side. You have 4 hoses on the 1006T underneath the machine, and on the 1006 there are 2 hoses. The convoluted hose is your drain hose. The nylon hose is your pickup for the cleaning fluid. You position the drain hose in the waste container and the pickup pipe for the fluid in the clean container of clean fluid. The same is repeated for the water-based side. If you're doing the 1006 single tank, you only have 2 containers. Inside the base as well, you have 2 regulators. The main regulator for the air pressure coming in the system. You can adjust these by pulling it down, unlocking it, turning it clockwise to increase the pressure, turning it anti-clockwise to reduce the pressure. On the left side of the base, you will find another regulator which is adjustable for your fume extraction. Again, pull down to unlock, turn it clockwise to increase pressure and anti-clockwise to reduce pressure. Once that's finished, you have a earth wire on the side of the machine. This needs to connect the machine to ground and earth the machine. On the side of the machine, we have an air whip line, which is supplied without the quick release coupling. Simply attach your desired coupling that you're using for your spray guns by screwing it onto the end of the pipe. This can then fit and attach to the spray guns that you're using in your facility. Once everything is complete on your setup, we can then look at how to operate the system. Before cleaning the spray gun, remove the paint cup, dispose of your waste paint in a suitable container, attach your whip line on the side like this. The brush at the back of the tank is fully adjustable. Slide this up and down. The position of this brush is crucial so that when we blow through the spray gun, we are blowing the vapor into the bristles of the brush. This way it prevents any blowback coming into the operator's face and reduces any splashing risk. Simply position the spray gun over the nozzle, point it into the brush, pull the trigger at the same time as you turn the liquid rinse on. Liquid will flow through the inside of the spray gun, cleaning the fluid tip and the needle inside the gun. It will be pulled through the spray gun with the air whip line and the powerful air and liquid rinse here, just like when we're spraying paint. Once you're finished, you can then use the air rinse, which allows you to dry the outside and the inside of the spray gun. Running this system on the rinse system for approximately 1 minute will use around 80 ml of fluid, giving you a highly efficient performance cleaning system for when you're cleaning the inside of your spray gun. So this is how to set up and how to operate the UGC1006 range of spray gun cleaners. If you'd like any more information, please visit our website www.unic.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.